everyone, it's me again, Nikki. Another day, another vlog. This vlog is informative. As we are here in Angeles City, we will go to explore some of the cultural and historical sites. As you can see at my back is the Holy Rosary Parish Church or mas kilalang Pisambang Maragul. It is approximately 114 years old as of 2026. This church was established by the founding families in the Angeles City led by Gon Mariano Henson on October 18, 1877. A few steps away from the church is the Museo ng Angeles. So now we are here inside of the Museo ng Angeles. It was built in 1922 as Municipio del Pueblo or Town Hall of the Angeles City. Tara, tuklasin natin kung ano pa ang makikita dito. As you can see, this museum has a lot of historical artifacts, artwork, and relics from the city and province of Pampanga. Being the culinary capital of the Philippines, the City Museum has a culinarium inside. It is an exhibit that features the Kapampangan's expertise and love for food. The main exhibit of the museum showcases the evolution of the city and its people. It is called Balikdan or meaning to look back. One will see famous and notable personalities or Angeles City Hall of Fame, works of local artists, rare photographs of Angeles City during the Philippine-American War, and memorabilia of Mount Pinatubo's 1991 eruption. Maaari rin natin mapanood dito ang makasaysayang pagputok ng Mount Pinatubo.
10 times larger than that of Mount St. Helens, is the world's second largest eruption in the 20th century. It released a million times more energy
Pwede rin tayo makabili dito ng mga iba't ibang souvenirs dito sa Museo ng Angeles. And now, papunta na tayo sa Pamintuan Mansion and makikita rin dito ang Angeles City Library and Information Center. Dito na tayo sa Pamintuan Mansion o tinatawag rin ng museo na kasayang Katipunan ng Pilipinas. The Pamintuan Mansion is considered one of the biggest, most elegant designed houses in the whole of Angeles City. Nowadays, the house is no longer occupied by a resident, for it now serves as a museum. The mansion has 9 galleries that exhibit the different aspects of the Filipino life. Sa vlog na ito ay napatunayan natin na ang Angeles City ay mayaman sa kultura at kasaysayan. Sana may natutunan kayo at nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na ito. See you on my next vlog. Bye!